With nearly one-third of Americans suffering from hypertension or high blood pressure, many doctors are now asking their patients to track their blood pressure data at home via an automatic monitor. It is important for the device to be used in consultation with a qualified medical practitioner, as they best can make the most sense of your reading. Wrist blood pressure monitors are an easy way to take blood pressure at home. Their small size and digital phase make them convenient to use. Plus, many wrist monitors store past readings and can be used to track your blood pressure over several weeks. Today we're going to unbox the Gurin automatic wrist blood pressure monitor, item number BPM265W. I haven't used it yet and I don't exactly know what to expect, although at first sight I'm very pleased to see how well packaged this product is. Looking at the box, initial features are the following: dual 90 memories function, date and time, blood pressure classification indication, irregular heartbeat indication, and average function for last treat measurement value. Also on the box we have some other specifications. For example, the wrist cuff size, measuring range, measuring accuracy, storage memory, and the power source. It uses two AAA alkaline batteries. Automatic power off, and the storage environment temperature is from minus 20 degrees Celsius to about 60 degrees Celsius. Hi YouTube, I'm Shabab32, and without further ado, let's get started. Starting with what comes in the box, we can see that the item came in its case. It has its protective plastic case. The blood pressure monitor itself, two AA batteries, and finally an instruction manual. This manual comes with important safety instructions, know your unit, and how to install the batteries, initialization, proper way of measurement, how to take a measurement, how to use the memory function, blood pressure exceptional situations, care and maintenance, other general specifications, and that's it. The instruction manual is very complete. Before we know what each part is for, we're gonna start with the battery installation. So we're gonna remove first the battery cover and install the two AAA size batteries. Now, the first thing we notice on our unit is that it features a large LCD display. This is basically what I loved at first. It makes everything easy to read. Now, let's talk about memory capacity. You can store the last 60 readings. Now, where are we gonna find the date and time? Right here below, we're gonna show you that after we start the whole unit. As per the reading of this item, it's quite fast. In less than 1 minute, you are gonna have a good response. And what is recommended is you take an average 3 consecutive readings. Besides, it's automatic, so it starts taking a reading at the press of just a button. The monitor will give you the systolic and the diastolic blood pressure readings along with your heart rate. Other additional features include irregular heartbeat indicator. It also has an hypertension indicator and body movement indicator to assist with, more accurate readings. You're gonna find the date and time display right about here, and the heartbeat symbol is gonna be right about here. I think that's all that we have to know for now. Now, to start using your unit, the first thing that you're gonna have to do is go to set. Don't press the stop button, the red button. You don't have to press it. You just go to set. For about 3 to 4 seconds, you long press, and then you can see that we're looking at the year. That is the year. To change the year, you're gonna have to come here to memory, and you see we have 2020. And this is 2021. Okay, we've got the year. Now we're gonna go back to set. Here we're gonna set the date. We are in December, which is month 12. This is okay. You can see it's changing the months. You can only go up, up, and up. And then if you press set again, you're gonna be able to change the date. Today is 16, and that's it. After you have the date, you press set to confirm. Now we have the time. What's the time right now? So it's about 11:23. Let's change. That's 11 a.m. and 23. You press set to confirm, and that's it. It's all set. The M is for memory. That means we're in memory mode. The AVG that you see here is the average. This is my average data. If we go the first one, the second one, the third one. Now, if I want to remove this information, all I have to do is you just press memory for about 6 seconds, and it's going to erase everything. Folks, if you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment section, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Hope you've learned something in this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Hasta la próxima. Ciao, ciao.